Hey guys, welcome back to Touch Kicks. It's been a minute since I've unboxed anything on this channel, to be fair. I know I did an unwrapping recently for the Sheen box, but here I've got this fire box to unbox with you. Stick with me, there's some great shoes in here, shoes that you probably copped or not copped. So let's get into it, let's not waste too much time. Thanks for tuning in. Let's have a look. Okay, this is a slight unwrapping, and this is just my craziness and my quirkiness coming to fore. This is the Monsters Inc. Crocs, the solid pair. I know, I'm crazy, right? Look at that. So, unfortunately, the winter's almost over, right? So, I don't think I'll be able to wear this too tough, but this is going to come out next winter. I'll probably try and use it a bit now. But yeah, here's the very furry, the Sully from Monsters Inc. Crocs. I saw this, I wanted it, actually registered to be reminded when it dropped. And yeah, look at that, beautiful shoe, right? Or slipper. Anyway, I really like this. Give you a quick 360 of this. You can see, so obviously all the top part is like really premium fur. Inside you got the fur in there as well. You got like a nice foam bottom as well. The outside is foam. Crocs, obviously www.crocs.com. Men's 12, UK 11. It fits big, I think it looks like it's going to be massive, but I'll try it on and I'll let you know. But yeah, well, let me know what you think of this crazy slipper. Let's move on to more serious business actually. As you can see, I've taken the label off. Let's open this up. Don't know what this is. Taking all the labels, I don't even know where this comes from. Knife out. Bet you, from every shoe I've ever ordered, the box is too big. Why do you need this massive box? Don't understand it. Oh, my daughter will love this, boy. This is getting popped to death today. Oh wow, okay. Look at how small this box is. Right, first shoe, for those of you who accuse me of only doing Jordans and Nike, there you go. This is the AE1, and I know what this is UK 11 AE1 sea black, silver MT sea black, basketball. It's a basketball shoe. You know what the AE1 is, I'm sure you have, but do you know what colorway it is? This is the All-Star Weekend colorway. I saw it, I liked it, and I wanted it, and I got it. Wow, this is blinding, Jesus. There you go. This is the AE1 Chrome. He had a phenomenal year last year, shoe of the year for many people. It wasn't quite shoe of the year for me, but it was in my top 10. But this is an amazing AE1 Chrome. I must say, right, I like this shoe. This chrome is proper chrome. I mean, it's not real chrome, but the colorway, it pops, right? It's beautiful. This chrome and black. This lovely blue on the heel tab, the outsole with hints of blue there. I don't know if you can see that. Get closer so you can see. Can you see the hints of blue in there to match the heel tab there? And the tongue as well with the AE1 logo in the beautiful blue, all wrapped in this chrome colorway with a black running down the middle. Incredible shoe. I really like this. Feels heavier as well, so than the other AE1s I have. Don't know if they've changed something in the material, but this is incredible. This is staying in the collection. I don't ball, but I need to find a way to wear this. So if you have any suggestions of where I can put this on with a pair of jeans and not look silly, let me know. But I really like this. This is great. What's the next one? Right, the next one here is not so much as an unboxing, but on opening. Or let me start again. It's not really so much as an unboxing, but because for some reason the courier company wanted to unbox it for me, so they did. But I know what this is. This is the viral shoe that released in America a few months ago. It's not quite in the UK just yet. Okay, it's in the UK now. Obviously, I got this in the UK, but it took its time to get here. And I can't wait to try this on. It's the recovery shoe from Nike. Again, back to the box. Is the Nike React X Rejuvenate in a UK 11, US 12, in a very decent box, I guess. Red and white. Nothing really to go wrong with that. As you can see, it's pretty decent, pretty clean. That's the size tab there. Yeah, let's go into the box. Not a lot to see. Quite a plain round box inside, I guess. I mean, they didn't make that much of an effort with the packaging there. plain white paper, and you have the Crocs. So I think this is Nike's answer to Crocs, and obviously Adidas with Yeezy and all the other mutations that came from Adidas off the back of that. But yeah, I really like this. I saw this on TikTok. I've seen it some of the influencers with really nice colors actually. That is nice green hits one, like a lightning green. But I went for the all black because I thought it might be easier to wear. So let's go through it quickly. So this is obviously from molded foam. I'll show you the second pair, just in case you're wondering, but it's exactly the same pair, as you can see. This is my pair, size 11. I've ordered one for the wife because she's a size 5. But yeah, so it's a molded foam, very similar to if you've ever owned a foam clog. It's the same kind of material. Feels a bit lighter at the top though compared to the other ones that I've seen. You got the black Nike tick there, you can see that, and the other side is more muted as well. So the tick is there, but it's not embossed. And obviously, so from what I've read about this shoe, the whole upper is from one mold, and yeah, it feels really nice. I mean, actually, I need to try this on, and I'll let you know in the comments if it's as comfortable as it looks. But it looks comfortable. And then obviously you got the outsole, which is probably the only part you can actually see it. This is the only part that wasn't molded. Obviously it's done for the support. You got the Nike tick there, it's quite muted as well. Got a couple of ridges here, which is meant to be quite comfortable and easier for you to use, so you get some traction on the shoe. And this is what you call a recovery clog. So essentially, if you've done a big workout or you want to give your foot a rest, you can rock this. I will like this a lot. Actually, I'm going to wear this a lot, I think, just because, you know, in the summertime, I don't really like sliders because it makes all your back heel dirty. But this will work for summer or on a holiday. When you rock it to the pool, you wear this. Let me know what you think of this viral shoe, the React 8. And I might have a pair I'm going to give away soon, but I'll let you know how to win that at some point. But yeah, this is the new shoe from Nike, the React 8, foam based, and it's really good. I really like this. So obviously I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so this has been around for a minute, but I've not actually had time to unbox it. But I actually wrote the name on it on that, so so I don't lose it in all the box I've got. So I'm going to open this now. Let's have a look. Let's open the box. Okay, so why? Okay, so if you've ever watched my video, why do I open the boxes upside down? I have no idea why I do this. You can see this is the Kobe box with the Mamba signature, all black. His box is incredible, actually. I've got to tell you, with a scale on it as well. And yeah, so size tag, Kobe 6 Pro Sail Black Light Bone White, UK 11, US 12. So it's my size. See? So let's go into the box. Obviously, if we're going from that plain box to this, different levels, right? Obviously different price points as well. That's like what, 60 quid, I think, 65 pounds. This is like 200 quid. There you go. So as you can see, the black there, and I know what this shoe is. You've got the eBay tab there because I had to trade it. I did win in the raffle in a size 11 and a half. So I had to sell it to someone on eBay and buy another one. So the eBay tab there, and then you got the paper. Oh, this shoe is beautiful. Get out of the box, guys. This is the 2025 Kobe Pro 6 All-Star. Oh my god, what a shoe, right? Beautiful shoe. So obviously some of you know the more popular popular shoes, the Grinches. So you got the reverse Grinch in red, you got the main Grinch in green. I've always wanted those two, but I'd probably get the red one because it's still a good price, but the green one is incredible. I mean, you're looking like 900 quid, almost £1,000, you know, $1,500. I'm not paying that for a pair of shoes, especially as I don't hoop. Obviously comes with 2 laces, one black and one white, which actually this is more of a sail. You got the white on the shoe and you got more of a sail here. But yeah, there you go. Let's have a look at the shoe together. So this is the Kobe Pro 6 All-Star released in 2025 for the All-Star game. They had some heaters coming out for the All-Star game. I did that. They had the foam posits. They had the 81 I've just shown you, the chrome. So if you're around where the All-Star game happened, you had a good time picking shoes up. But yeah, this is a classic Kobe shoe, the Kobe 6. I'm not too familiar with a lot of Kobe shoes because obviously a lot of shoes are quite basketball heavy, but I think you can wear this casually. And what you have is a scale on the toe box. Ooh, hold on a second, I got distracted there. Venom Motion, I think. No? Venom? I don't know what that don't know. If you know what that is, let me know in the comment. It says Venom something. I can see the Venom there, obviously, Mamba. But yeah, so in the toe box you can see the scale of the shoe of a snake essentially starts to come in. And what makes this incredible is it then grades into stars with a couple of big stars there, and stars all around this beautiful shoe. Feels comfortable. You got the Mamba, the logo on the tongue, the Nike swoosh there, another Nike swoosh here, covered within a nice plastic to protect Kobe's signature at the back there. And then you go back to the bottom of the shoe, and this nice grey outsole with the sail midsole. So it's very grey mid sail and white heavy, which is beautiful. It just gives a really nice clean look. And then yeah, so I really like this shoe actually. And inside of it, you've got the Mamba logo there in white, so over a black insole, and on the outside you got the white outsole with a black Mamba logo. So everything thought through correctly. They're doing bits. RIP Kobe. And yeah, so I'm gonna throw this on. I think I can wear this casually. Let me know. More importantly, let me know how you'll style this and any other shoe I've shown so far. Send it to me on my Instagram at ToshKicks, and then I'll put some ones I really like. I'll share it. Last shoe is the Belter. It's a shoe that I've been waiting for so long. It's a shoe I paid retail for because I didn't win on. I paid resale, sorry, I didn't win it. This shoe was so important to me. One of my friends, E-Money, I'm going to shout you out because he reached out to me to say, I've wanted the shoe, do you want to have a look at it and have it and all that kind of good stuff. But I did a trade, sold my White Thunder and used the money to get this plus some cash. And a lot of people are calling this shoe the shoe of the year. I'm not so sure, but we'll find out. Let's get the knife out. All right, there we go. Right, I want you to tell me in the comment, and if you put this in the comment, that counts obviously towards winning the shoe as well. Do you believe that this is the shoe of the year? That's the question. Oh my God, you won't believe what I've just done. I've just opened the shoe upside down as well. Anyway, it seems to be a trademark, right? But here's what we do. It's fine. We'll do it. And again, why did I open it upside down? I don't get it. Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. I'm going to tease you a little bit with this because once you see the box, you should know what it is. People are calling this shoe shoe of the year. We know the bike care box, don't we? Because you know how much I love bike care shoes. Obviously, Jordan 4 RM that came out last year and it's still coming out. I've still got most of it. And yes, this is the most anticipated shoe so far this year. This is Nigel Sylvester's Jordan 4 in the fire red colorway. I don't know what it looks like in hand. I'm gonna have a look first. On the size tab, it says Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP, firewood orange, not firewood red. I'm sorry, firewood orange in a UK 11, which is my size, US 12, and this is gonna get worn. I can promise you that. Actually, wait, there's a few shoes that dropped that I love the hype and I do like the shoe. Let's open this box first and see. But anyway, that's the box. The attention to detail is incredible. You feel the box is obviously being conditioned to feel like a brick. Even the Jordan logo here is embossed, but you know the brick effect on it, and it does look like a brick, which is ironic, right? Because in the sneaker world, a brick is a shoe that's going to sit. This shoe clearly didn't sit because otherwise I would have bought it. I want to pay resale for it. But yeah, this is another story. We'll talk about it as we go through the shoe. But yeah, the box itself is beautiful. The bike here is embossed. You can see the effect of, you know, if you've seen red bricks before, this is what it looks like. But yeah, they've done a really good job. Even at the back of it, you can see the effect in that as well. So a lot of attention to detail. Obviously, the texture feels like sandpaper. That's how they've achieved it, but incredible, incredible. Anyway, let's open the box together now. Another eBay number. I trust eBay actually. StockX, I'm not so sure, but eBay, yes. But you can see it's come in and wrapped. The blue band is meant to hold the bricks together, slipped in the real world. You know, you'd be sending the bricks back, but hey. But I like the way they've done it. They've got shoes in a packet that comes with bricks. I'll put a picture up. And it's held together usually by a band, like a thick band. Not band, more like a twine. Really, really strong. I've seen them before. But yeah, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Let's get it out. So there you go. That's the band that's been quite nice. And then you got the shoe carefully wrapped one by one as a brick. I'm gonna take it out now. Oh, comes in a nice bag as well, you know. You know, with a Ziploc bag, not a Ziploc, but you know, a press lock bag. They've done great stuff with this shoe. Anyway, with the packaging at least. And then individually wrapped. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm so excited about this shoe. Paid too much for it, by the way. But yeah. Wow. The Nigel Sylvester Firewood Orange Jordan 4. And oh my God, what a shoe. Jeez. You know, I wasn't too sure before, you know. I was like, oh, the all orange, I'm not too sure. I'm not sure it's gonna be good. I'm not sure what's gonna happen with it, but I love this shoe. First impressions, I love it. I want to get the second shoe out just to see if it's exactly the same. They haven't done anything crazy on it, so that we have a good review of the shoe. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to do another video where I'm going to spend more time on the shoe, more in-depth review, talk about the materials and all that stuff. But obviously this is just an unboxing, so it's my first view of the shoe. Yeah, the other foot is exactly the same as the first shoe, so there you go. There's nothing to talk about there. Might as well carry on with this one then in that case. The toe box. Sorry, I'm saying a lot of oohs, right? Because this shoe, I'm telling you, the level of attention they put on the shoe is just madness. So you can feel the premium nubuck on the upper. The toe box is wrapped in this shaggy, premium feeling suede, I think. It feels like suede. Anyway, I don't know what it is. It's either, it feels like suede, but that's painted to give you the rough brick feeling. And then going around it, you've got the classic Jordan 4 netting on the side, the laces, Jordan logo saying flight there, and what is now becoming iconic, the bike out at the back. People don't really like it, some people don't like it, so it feels like a fake Jordan. Speak to yourself in the mirror one day, man. But there you go. The bike out at the back, and then what's becoming Nigel Sylvester's signature part of the shoe, the mini swoosh. As you can see that. Where are the laces? Oh, it comes with additional laces. I think it comes with one pair of lace actually, which is a white lace. Let's see, how white is the white? Oh, it's proper white lace. There you go. Yeah, I'll give you a quick 360 of the shoe. But if you want me to go, if you want to watch a video where I want to dive into and compare to your other bike hairs that came out last year, obviously you have the green fence, and you have the grey grandma driveway ones, which I've got 2 of them as well. So I've got the set now, set complete of the bike hairs on the back. Actually, there's a airship that's ours as well, but I'm not kidding. So we're not going to talk about that one. But yeah, there you go. So that's the 2025 Nigel Sylvester Firewood Orange Jordan 4. The only sad part is one of my Jordan 4s there will have to give way for this. I don't know which one yet. But yeah, so that's the that's all the boxes, I guess. But yeah, so I hope you had fun watching me unbox shoes. You know, I hope you didn't get too bored. I'm like a kid in a candy store. In the comment below, let me know which is your favorite shoe, which that I unboxed, and let me know what you'd like to see next. If you like this video and you're not already subscribed, please feel free to be subscribed, and feel free to like this video and share with your friends. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself and God bless.